What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting an early start because it's supposed to rain in a bit. It's about 6:50 in the morning, 38 degrees. Today we're going to install an Integra Type R trunk brace on the white car. It's pretty easy for you that are not familiar with it. Post up a picture right here. So I'm going to get these cars moved out the way, pull the white car in, and we'll get started. So here's the Integra Type R trunk brace. I picked this up from HMO, one of their Type R Tuesday deals. Got this for 15 bucks plus shipping. So what you're going to need to install this is two M10 by 25 millimeter bolts, some riv nuts, riv nut gun, assortment of drill bits, Dremel tool, drill, the Dremel, and a Phillips head screwdriver. You can eliminate the Dremel and all these bits if you have a short, large size step bit, but I can't seem to find mine right now. So the first thing you want to do is remove this center panel here. Once you have the panel out, the bar is going to mount to this here. And on the other side, the Integra Type R comes with these pre-drilled and with a nut welded on the back. But this is just a GSR, so it definitely doesn't have that. So basically we're going to line the bar up, mark the holes, and then drill it out. Alright, so I'll mark the holes on both sides. Now if you notice, there's a circle hole and a slotted hole. So I'm going to do the circle hole first, so I have a little bit of wiggle room on the other side. So I'm going to start with a smaller drill bit, open this up until the riv nut will fit in there. So I did get the first one in. Never used the riv nut gun before, so I'll show you how I did it. Ran into one issue. The bolt that I bought was the M10 by 1.0, and I think the threads are too fine. Because if you look at the front of this, the threads are a lot wider than this. So I guess we'll be doing a Home Depot run. But I'm gonna do this side. Alright, so before I start on the other side, I'm just going to make sure everything's still lining up. Notice bolt doesn't fit in here. I'm just going to use it to line it up. Mark's still good on this side. So I'm going to start with a small drill bit, make a pilot hole. I'm going to use a punch, make sure I'm centered. So I have the hole drilled. The riv nut will go in there snug. Don't want to push it all the way in because it might be hard to get out. So for this riv nut gun, you basically want to open it, screw this on like that, and when you put it down, want to squeeze it together, and then it's going to spread this so it opens in the hole kind of like a rivet does. once you have it squeezed in, the handle will almost be together. So you want to open it up and twist the bottom, and that'll thread it out. So I'm going to check the alignment of the bar again. Hopefully it's right, because this is the point of no return. And that lines up perfectly. So I guess we have to make a trip to Home Depot to go get the bolts that we need. So we're off to Home Depot, taking a silver car. Haven't driven this car about 2-3 weeks. Starts right up, no problems. I do miss the bucket seats driving this car every day. If you guys haven't noticed, I did strip out the interior. I have more on that in the upcoming video. So just got back from the Home Depot. Your boy was way off on the thread pitch. It wasn't M10 by 1. It's M10 by 1.5. If you're not using any interior, you can just put the bar on and the new bolts thread right in. But I'm going to be using interior, so I'm going to take my panel, set this in here. So I'm going to be using interior. So if you look down here, there's a hole that lines up on the plastic. Lift the panel up. It's this hole right here. So I'm going to use tape measure and try to pinpoint where this is on both sides. Okay, so these are rough estimates where the holes are. I'm gonna cut this out. Hopefully it lines up. Alright, so I got the holes cut. Pretty good, since I just guessed. So I'm gonna install this panel here, and then we'll get the bar installed. So that's it, all installed. Pretty strong. Shakes the whole car. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to wrap up this video. I'm sure the question on everyone's mind, will this modification make a difference? I'm going to say the answer is yes and no, being that the Type R has different brackets where we put the riv nuts that are attached to the frame rails. But seeing how stiff it's mounted, and when you shake it, it moves the whole car, it may reap some of the benefit that was designed for the Type R. Plus Honda put it on the car from the factory, so it must do something. More than anything, you'll get more JDM scene style points. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you. Until next time, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.